In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a digital creator on Facebook. After creating tons of content on Facebook, you want to monetize all this content, but you don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to monetize content you publish on Facebook. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. On this interface, continue to type on your profile picture beside your name. You land on an interface like this. Beside edit profile, you see 3 dots. Continue to tap on it. This will bring you on profile settings. Under profile settings, scroll down until you locate turn on professional mode. Then continue to tap on it. So you have the option to turn on professional mode. As you correctly see, when you turn on professional mode, you get paid for your content, and you also have the ability to see content insights. In addition to this, you can let more people follow you. So once you are certain you want to turn on the professional mode, all you have to do is to tap on turn on professional mode. Allow it a moment to finish loading. So this will drop you onto this interface. You can scroll down and make sure you fill the various categories. You fill all the necessary important information that you need to provide to Facebook as a digital creator on this platform. As I said, it's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.